In this video, we'll be doing a bulk container FRP patch. Safety first and always, please use the proper PPE. If it's cut-resistant gloves or goggles or a bump cap, page 10 of the new hire training plan has all of the Imperial part numbers you need. FRP stands for fiberglass reinforced plastic. When you bring the trailer in and assess the damage, you're going to want to see what it is that you're going to have to get out of your way. In this case, we've got a U-bolt and a bracket for the vapor recovery. We've also got a drain hose for the crash box. Now we're going to go underneath and we're going to drill out those stainless steel rivets and get that band separated so that way we can kind of flop it over the catwalk and get it out of your way, secure it so that it doesn't come back down. Next would be to measure, mark, and cut out the damaged area. Whether using a die grinder or shears, be sure to use a respirator, a face shield, goggles. You don't want to get that fiberglass in your lungs or eyes. Save the old cut piece to use as a template if needed. Next, we'll cut our new piece of FRP, leaving a 3-inch overlap, 2 inches for the VHB tape, and 1 inch to lay a nice bead of caulk in there. Make sure you get some soapy water and clean it off. Then you can go ahead and use our 2-inch VHB double-sided tape to go around the perimeter of the piece that you are going to be installing. Next, go ahead and flip it over about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch in from the edge, about 4 inches apart. Go ahead and drill those holes around the patch. Next, we'll look at it from the inside again. We're going to lay a bead of silicone and just peel the top strip and a couple of the side strips down. That way, when we lay it on the trailer, we'll use one rivet at the top center to hold it. We can move it left and right and slowly peel that 3M tape down so that we can adhere it to the FRP easily. Note the holes that were pre-drilled. We used the template to set down on the piece that we were going to install, and it lined up perfectly. Now we're just going to go ahead and use silicone to seal the new FRP patch to the existing FRP. Now that we've got the patch secured with rivets all the way around, go ahead and run a ratcheting strap all the way across the trailer, down the sides, and under the belly to be able to secure that band. You're going to want to fit it over the other band. That way you can secure it with stainless steel rivets. Now the band is secure. Here's a look at the trailer once the band has been secured. We're going to reattach our U-bolt and bracket, bolting that back in. Also, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the brackets that hold the drain hose that comes from the crash box down the side of the trailer. There should be 3 of them, a top, a center, and underneath. Here's a look at the finished product. Just a quick note, whether you draw a line on there or just make marks with the marker can be removed with alcohol and shop rags. Here's another look at a small patch that was done on a different unit. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the training team. Thanks for watching and stay safe.